Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to subscribe to Snapchat Plus. Before you can subscribe to Snapchat Plus, just make sure you have a working payment card in your Play Store. We're going to go to Play Store, click on your profile, click on payment and subscription, click on payment method. As you can see right here, I have two payment methods, Visa and MasterCard. If you have American Express or others, that will work too. Now let's go to Snapchat. Click on your profile. Go to settings. After your account information, under there you will see Snapchat Plus. Click on it. Click on subscribe. You're going to see all the benefits you would have if you subscribe to Snapchat Plus. Now click on next. I'm going to subscribe to monthly in this video. Click on subscribe. It's going to ask you for your payment option. As you can see right here, I have Visa and MasterCard. I'm going to use Visa in this video. Click on subscribe. For the first time, it's going to ask you for your fingerprint or password or Face ID. Verify it. As you can see right here, I have subscribed. If you want to add a backup payment method, you can also add. I'll click no thanks. Welcome to Snapchat Plus. You can now change your Snapchat app icon if you want, and also display the badge of membership on your profile. Click on next. You can now choose your pet if you want. I will just go with the dog. So these are all the Snapchat Plus benefits. When you now go to your profile, you can see that you have the badge right there. So that's how you subscribe to Snapchat Plus. That'll be all for this video.